Uzbekistan, Uzbekistan. Which one is correct? Before learning the language itself, pay attention that all city names and even country name sounds in Turkic way. Uzbekistan in airports, Uzbekistan in Uzbekistan. A changing to O. Tashkent in airports, Tashkent in Uzbekistan. Bukhara in airports, Bukhara in Uzbekistan. The rest city names are a matter of practice. Just repeat after me. Samarkand, Samarkand. Notice K. Second, Karsha, Karsha. And third, Qoraqalpog'iston, Qoraqalpog'iston. I know you couldn't say Qoraqalpog'iston, didn't you? Bir daqiqa tugadi. Ertaga ko'rishguncha.